Welcome to the part 2 of Universal Coupling, in which we will be making these 4 parts. If you want the drawings and other detail of the Universal Coupling, then you can find those in the description. Let's start. First we will make center block. Select part here and click OK. Front plane sketch and then make a circle. And now make the dimension of this circle as 55 millimeter. Now make another circle of 30 millimeter. Now go to features and select extrude boss and extrude this part as 110 millimeter. Click OK. Okay, now select top plane and click on sketch. Make a circle on the right side like this. Go to smart dimension and make the distance between these two center points as 38 millimeter, and the vertical height between these 2 points as 55 millimeter. Now make a circle here of 30 millimeter. Smart dimension, make this circle as 30 millimeter. Now go to extruded boss. Since we want to extrude it on both sides, so select mid plane here and extrude it to 110 mm. Okay. Now save this part as center block. Now it's time to make the next part. Select part and click OK. We will be making this pin. Front plane sketch. Make a circle of 50 millimeter. Smart dimension. Select this circle and make dimension as 50 millimeter. Then extrude it up to 10 millimeter. 10 mm. Okay. Now select this surface sketch and make a circle. Smart dimension 30 millimeter. After making this circle, extrude it up to 185 millimeter. Select blind here. Click OK. Now select this top plane sketch and make a small circle. Make sure make it in the middle like this. Go to smart dimension and make the diameter as 5 millimeter. Go to smart dimension again. Select this point, the center of the circle, and this line, and make the dimension as 10 mm. This is the distance between these 2 points. Now it's time to add a vertical relation. Select this point and the center of the smaller circle, this point, and make relation as vertical. Now go to features. It's time to cut the smaller circle. To cut this smaller circle, we should select mid plane, click OK. It's done. Now save this file as pin. Next we will make this collar. Open a new file, select front plane and make a circle. Make another circle. For bigger circle, make dimension as 50 millimeter and inner circle 30 millimeter. Now extrude it up to 10 mm, but first make it blind and then 10 mm. Click OK. Now it's time to create a smaller circle. Select top plane sketch. Now select circle and make here a smaller circle. Select dimension as 5 millimeter. The diameter of this smaller circle is 5 mm. Click OK. And the distance between these 2 points, this and this point, is also 5 millimeter, which is at the center. Now it's time to cut this circle. Select extruded cut command. Select blind. Increase this dimension. Select OK, and now we are done with the collar. Save it as collar. Now we will be making our last part. This is a taper pin. Front plane and make a circle of 6 millimeter dia. Go to feature and extrude. Select this as 60 mm. Blind. And select this option and make it 0.4777 degree. Now the purpose of this degree, as we want a taper pin having one side as 5 mm and other side as 6 mm. If you want to find the details, you can check in the description. Now click OK. Let's verify it. Select this corner and select make this is 5 mm. Now rotate it. Let's see the other side. Click on this circle and this is 6 mm. Now save this file as taper pin. We are done with our all 4 parts, and in the next video we will assemble the universal coupling. Thanks for watching.